Welcome. In front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen password. So in case you forgot it and there is no chance that you can remember the password that worked for you the last time, then the best decision would be to contact OPPO Customer Support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out and let you regain access to your phone without removing any data from your device. Now if this option is unavailable for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation, and you can do this in two ways. You can either do it remotely if you have another device with internet connection and you have a Google account linked with this smartphone. You can just, in such case, you can just enter your web browser on any other device, then search for Find Hub, which is a website by Google. Just open it, then sign into this the website using your credentials, your account that is linked to this device, and then select this device on the list and select factory reset option on the actions list. And this way you'll perform a factory reset operation, and once the factory reset operation is performed remotely, you'll be able to set this device up as a new smartphone. But in case this option is unavailable for you too, you can perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode. And if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode on the smartphone, we have an entire video on our channel that explains how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this particular device. If you need it, go ahead and check it out. And now I'm gonna explain you what to do if you didn't exactly forget your lock screen password. Well, if you do remember your password but you still cannot use it in this menu, then the best decision would be to try to do the same thing, but in the safe mode, where there are no third-party applications that may affect the way that your lock screen behaves, and your phone is basically less laggy in the safe mode. Now, to enter the safe mode is kind of tricky on this phone, because what you have to do is press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, then select restart and wait until your device turns off, and then wait for a couple of seconds until it turns back on and you see the OPPO logo on your screen. Now when you see this OPPO logo, wait for about 5 seconds and then start pressing the volume down key and wait until your phone slightly vibrates. That will indicate that you're entering the safe mode. Okay, once it vibrates, you can release the volume down button and then wait until your device boots into the safe mode. And now, once you are in the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom corner of the screen. Enter your password, and in case it works for you this time, you can go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then go to Device Unlock, Screen Lock, confirm by entering your screen lock once again, and then selecting Turn Off Password. Click Disable, then confirm, and then just restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. Wait until your device is rebooted, and once it's rebooted, you'll be able to regain access to your phone once again. And that's all for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.